It's indeed impossible to make a Bourgogne wine anywhere else than in Bourgogne, and so much the better.
One of the most important things is the authenticity. You can make great wines in lots of parts of the world, but you can only make Napa Valley wine in the Napa Valley.
I cannot imagine here in Douro, for instance, making Bordeaux wine. It's not possible.
As the cellars you can see around me, that do not exist anywhere else in the world. Champagne is unique and is impossible to make in any other place.
We began making wine here in Oregon because we felt we had a special place to grow certain varieties.
The creativity I possess as a winemaker can only go so far, but a location can't be reproduced anywhere else in the world.
It's the nature of the soil, it's the climate, the varietals.
We've got ancient soils and ancient geology in a lot of Australia and McLaren Vale.
We have also a very deep chalky soil called Albariza.
What really differentiates us from the rest of the state and really the world is that we have transverse mountain ranges.
The land of sun, sand and sore eyes. And they say that because the soils are extremely sandy loam, but mainly pure white sand over clay.
We are in the south of Spain, very near to the Atlantic Ocean, and also we have humid autumns and very hot summers.
There's a lot of setbacks with the weather, hail, freezes, storms. I know a guy that had his vineyard torn out by a tornado.
And a very important factor is human labor and the tradition and the knowledge that was piled up through generations by the people involved in the production of port wine.
My legacy as a producer is to strive to pass on to my children and future generation the beauty, the uniqueness, and the history of this land.
If you associate great wines with a certain place, then you need to protect the name that goes with that place.
And it's important that when one of our consumers picks up one of our Santa Barbara County labeled wines, that they know what they're going to get.
When the consumers buy a bottle labeled champagne, they should not be misled on the origin of the wine.
Our customers expect truth in what's in that bottle.
Any misstatement of wine, mislabeling of wine is just, it's so wrong. It's so hurtful to our industry, both in California and to all the appellations in the world. And it also is just not fair to the consumer.